Hey, 30-Minute Marketers, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're going to be talking about Warrior Plus and free traffic, but where does my affiliate link go? That's the question we're going to answer today, so let's jump right into it. So we're here inside of Warrior Plus. Of course, that's the dashboard. If you want to grab your affiliate link, you head over to Offers. And then here under Offers, you can filter this out by your approved only offers. And then after that filters out, what you can do is you can see that you can click here to get your link. And then this will be your affiliate link right here that you will copy. And the question we're going to answer today in this video is, where do I put my link? So once you copy that link, where do you put it? So let's take a look at once we have our affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link, but where does it go? Because you have your affiliate link. Do you put it in search? Do you put it in Gmail? Do you put it on Facebook? Do you put it on YouTube? And when you do place it in any one of these traffic sources, what causes people to actually click on it to get them over to the affiliate offer order page? And what's between these traffic sources and your affiliate link and the affiliate offer order page? Well, I'm just going to show you a few of these traffic sources and where this affiliate link goes. So you're going to know the answer exactly, where do I put my affiliate link? The first one we're going to look at is YouTube. So you have your YouTube channel and you're making all your videos, but where does the affiliate link go in your YouTube video? I'll just show you this example of one of my YouTube videos right here. And you can see this is a Gaining More Energy in Your Life PLR review and bonus video. So people will watch the video, then I'll have a call to action, just like in this video. Click the link in the description or the pinned first comment. And when I say that in the video, what happens? People know now that they can click the link in the description or in the pinned first comment right here, and it is a clear call to action. Click the link to get Gaining More Energy in Your Life PLR and bonuses. So now this link right here, while not my affiliate link, but it is the next step, and I'm going to show you exactly where your affiliate link goes after you click on this link. So I'm going to click on 30minutemarketing.net/more energy PLR. And that's going to take us over to what is called a bridge page. And on this bridge page, here I have more information specifically about the bonuses and how to get them. And how to get them is by clicking this link right here. Now, if you check down on the left-hand corner, and I'm going to put an arrow here so you can see it, you can see that that link is my affiliate link. https://warrior plus and a whole bunch of digits. And then I have bonus page, which is a tracking ID. But the point here is, this is where my affiliate link goes. It goes here on this bridge page. So go back to the YouTube video, and here again is the YouTube video. Call to action, click the link in the description. The link in the description is actually a link to this bridge page. And then the bridge page, again, check the left-hand corner. This button has my affiliate link. So we'll go back over to Funnelytics and look at that in the diagram. So again, here we have our affiliate link, and on YouTube, we didn't put our affiliate link directly on YouTube. Of course, you can do that. It's just not the recommended best practice. What we did is we moved over here and we went and created what we call a bridge page. So here we're going to create a new page on our web hosting or on our page builder. And our affiliate link is going to go on this page right here that we put between YouTube and the affiliate order page. So our affiliate link will go right here, which again, this is called a bridge page. So YouTube to bridge page, the affiliate link is on the bridge page, that heads over to the affiliate order page. And that is the best practice for YouTube. So what about Facebook? So on Facebook, of course, you have your normal, regular, everyday profile that you see post right here. And sometimes I'm sure you see posts where people say, hey, I got a great product, would you like to check it out? Or maybe they tell a story, and then that story has a link. And that link could be your affiliate link. Or would it be better to post a link like we did earlier to a bridge page? Yeah, I think you know the answer to that one. Use the bridge page. So that's your normal profile right here. Of course, you can see like this is a sort of marketing type profile. Of course, I follow a lot of marketers. So you can simply make a post with a nice image or a video, and then you can drop a link down here in the description. Or you can put a link here in the post itself. A lot of people like to put the post down here in the comments. They think that they get more organic traffic that way, that the Facebook algorithm doesn't penalize them for it. That's something you will need to test. Of course, here on Facebook, you also have your Facebook page. Of course, as you can see here, On your Facebook page, you have videos, you have posts. You can see here where I put posts in here because this is my business page. This is where Facebook actually wants you to do business. For example, posting affiliate links. And as you can see right here, I have a post, attention business owners. This is the best new way to create websites. Sign up for your free GrooveFunnels account and get a lifetime access for a limited time only. And I have a link right here. Of course, that link is going to be my affiliate link. Also, another great example of how to use Facebook and where to put your affiliate link is your Facebook group. So we have 3 places here: Facebook profile, Facebook page, Facebook group, same concept. You can see right here, I'd simply have informational posts here. Then I also have like tips and tricks. See here, I have a link. Hey, it's the integration you've all been asking for, Thrive Apprentice plus Thrivecart, and a link to Thrive Themes, which this is a link to a blog post, but it could just as easily be my affiliate link, or even better yet, let's go back to Funnelytics. What did we do here? We took our affiliate link, we pasted it, instead of just directly posting it on Facebook, which you can do depending on the platform. Right now, Warrior Plus, I think you can still post native raw Warrior Plus links sometimes directly on Facebook, but lots of times they will block your affiliate link. So what do you do again? Yep, you use the bridge page. So in this case, we're going to go from Facebook to the bridge page, which has your affiliate link again posted on your bridge page, over to your affiliate order page. So again, a simple question: where do I put my affiliate link? The best option is to put your affiliate link on a bridge page. Now, if you don't know how to create a bridge page, or if this is already getting too complicated for you, there's a link in a description that will take you over to a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to build out these bridge pages, and also how to effectively build an email list. Because now let's put our affiliate link inside of email. But of course, you need to know how to build an email list, right? But we'll skip forward ahead now and say that you've already covered that. Again, if you haven't, check the link in the description for a simple and effective blueprint for that. But for now, we're just going to jump forward and say, yes, we have an email list, and we're going to post our affiliate link inside of a Gmail email that we send out. So what would that look like? Well, inside of Gmail, you can see here, Gary from 30 Minute Marketing, and this was sent via Aweber, but this can be any marketing platform. And you can see here there's an email, and inside the email I have a call to action. Then check this out. And what do you know? I have a link right here. You click on that link. What do you think is going to happen? You got it. It linked to a bridge page. This is a different example of a bridge page. One size doesn't fit all. Of course, you have to test all of this: the layout, the headline, position of videos, position of buttons. But yes, I want this traffic and sales, your bonuses included, is going to be my affiliate link to this product. So again, back to Funnelytics to look at this, what it looks like in the real live situation. You get a Gmail, you get an email in your Gmail account. It has an affiliate link. That affiliate link goes to a bridge page. That is where you're going to put your affiliate link on the bridge page you create, either on your blog or your website that you create with a page builder such as GrooveFunnels and GroovePages. And then that affiliate link takes you over to the affiliate offer order page. Now, what about search? What if we're using search? What do we need to do to put our affiliate link on search? Well, it's going to be the same concept. So let's say that we have written a blog post and we're using search for organic traffic or SEO. In that case, in this example, the simple traffic blueprint review, you're going to see right here, it's on my blog. So I've written a blog post, and this is a review. It includes a video. You keep scrolling down. It's going to introduce who Philip Barlman is. It's going to say some pros and some cons. It's going to give a conclusion with a rating. And then guess what? It's going to have a CTA, or a call to action. Click to get started, and of course that is going to be the link to my bridge page, which includes my affiliate link. Another example, if somebody was searching for the ultimate guide on how to make money with chatbots, or was searching for how to make money with chatbots, they would find my ultimate guide on how to make money with chatbots. Then there would be a very content-rich article here that explains all the strategies and how to use chatbots, as well as employing chatbots as landing pages. But look right here, I have a banner: create high-selling affiliate robots that sell for you without learning code or expensive software. And you guessed it, if someone was to click on that link, that is going to be the affiliate link. In this case, I linked directly to the affiliate offer because this is already a high converting sales page. So that is a direct link option. It is an option. It's usually not recommended, but of course, test and see what works best for you and for the offer that you have. So simply just think about what free traffic source you're using to promote your Warrior Plus affiliate link, whether it be search, SEO, with your blog. Once you've built an email list, sending emails out to your email list, where you place your affiliate link in the email, Facebook, your regular user profile, your Facebook page, your Facebook group, YouTube, placing the link in the description, in the pinned first comment. And again, you could directly link in all these platforms as long as they allow you to do that. But the best option is to always place your affiliate link on a bridge page, which is the page between the traffic source, which is, in this example, YouTube, Facebook, Google search, SEO, Bing, or your email list, and the affiliate offer order page. If you have any questions about how this works, feel free to ask in the comments. I'd be more than happy to answer those questions that you have in the comments. Of course, if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here in the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.